Hello guys, how are you? Hope so all of you are fine. Guys, today our topic is a good car accident attorney, in which we complete all answers from attorneys why hire a car accident lawyer, in which we complete table of contents like section 1 reason why you need a personal injury attorney after auto accident. The section 2 before you look up car accident attorneys know what to look for. The section 3 where to find experienced car accident attorneys. In section 4 speak with an attorney near you. Section 5 answers from attorneys why hire a car accident lawyer. In section 6 hiring a car accident attorney fact. Section 7 what does an injury lawyer do? I think this is the most important section, that is what does an injury lawyer do? Nervous about the attorney interview. Connect to top rated lawyer using our national directory. And the last one, the section 10 is more resources on injuries.com. So let's move on the video to complete all answers from attorney. Here we are, how to choose the best car accident lawyer, in which we're finding the best car accident attorney. Why do I need an auto accident lawyer? When should you look for an auto accident lawyer? Frequently asked questions. So first of thing, finding the best car accident attorney. Okay, guys, a car accident attorney is a type of personal injury attorney. You can be overwhelmed by the number of options there are in your area. It seems like every commercial plus bench and billboard is offering the service of another attorney by asking the right question that looking for the right credential. You will be able to narrow the field down to one that is right for you. The other is what is their experience. Many personal injury attorneys focus on a particular type of case. Some handle workers' compensation cases, the other handle class action lawsuits against manufacturers, and other handles car accident. You want to find an attorney that has a lot of experience with the car accidents. Okay, guys. The next one is what are the fees? That is also important. It's not a the answer is not it's no secret that attorneys cost a pretty penny. You want to find an attorney who works on contingency, meaning they don't make any money until you get your settlements or a judgment. Most personal injury attorneys work for percentage of the final award amount. This is typically around 33% and potentially more if your case goes to trial. I think it's enough for the what are the fees. The next one, are they able to communicate clearly? You you'll have a lot of questions in the course of your case. You want to have an attorney who can speak to you in a way that you understand what is going on. A lawyer uh, sticking to legal jargon may seem impressive, but you find yourself confused in the process. The next our question is, are they respected by their peers? The answer is to some research online to see what other attorneys have to say about them. Don't be afraid to ask them what percentage of their business comes from the other attorney referrals. The higher the percentage, the better. The reference means that other attorneys have high amount of respect for the persons you look to talking to, enough respect that they risk their own reputation on a recommendation. I think the most important question is why do I need an auto accident lawyer? The answer is it's possible to handle an auto accident injury case on your own. You don't necessarily need to hire a lawyer. That begs the question, why should you? The reason that you should get an auto accident attorney. You will likely to given the bare minimum by an insurance company if you handle the case on your own. Insurance companies are in the business to make profit, and they do this in part by keeping claims costs down when possible. Okay, guys, the last our question is, when should you look for an auto accident lawyer? The answer is, while you can bring an auto attorney onto your case at any time before the settlement is closed by the insurance company. It's best to get one as soon as you injured the attorney. Many recommended specialist doctor to help diagnose the case and get you the best card that you deserve. And getting an attorney on board right away minimizes the chance that you'll make a settlement to insurance company that damages your chance for a good settlement. Most of clients find that the earlier that they get an attorney, the better their settlement becomes. Here we all questions are completed about how to choose the best car accident lawyer or good car or a good car accident attorney. Hope so, guys, you understand better. And please like and share our video. Subscribe the channel. We will see you the next video. Tata, bye bye.